Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Speaker Thomas A. Sangma has examined the disqualification petitions from the State Congress against the three former Congress MLAs. The Speaker, in his opinion, considers the earlier decision as valid, but, however, has referred to the State Advocate General for his opinion. Lone Congress MLA Ronnie V. Lingdo submitted 2 disqualification petitions to Assembly Speaker Thomas A. Sangma and has sought action against Celestine Lingdo, Charles Marngar and Gabriel Walang within 14 days.
I have examined it and I found it whatever decision was made from the Speaker's office. I still consider it very valid. So, but still then, I am, as I already told you, that I am referring it to the opinion of the Advocate General of Meghalaya State. That Speaker's office cannot take a decision on that. Speaker's office is only concerned about the knowledge that they are still the members of the Congress Legislature Party.
Dr. Celestine Lingdo, local